Hello, my name is Dr. Doret Pikovic and I'm a senior lecturer in the Faculty of Engineering at SETU Carlo and Program Director for the Robotics and Automation Systems. If you are considering our degree through the CAO, you have two exciting options. The first one is Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics and Automation Systems, a 3-year Level 7 degree with the CAO code SE728. And the second one is Bachelor of Engineering Honors in Robotics and Automation Systems, a 4-year Level 8 degree with the CAO code SE710. Both programs share the same curriculum for the first 2 years. In terms of the structure, the program is built on 3 core pillars. That is electronics, mechanics, and computing. These pillars will give the students the knowledge and skills to design, develop, commission, and maintain robotics and automation systems across a wide range of industries. In terms of special features, the program has a balanced mix of theory, hands-on lab work, and project-based learning, access to a state-of-the-art robotics and automation systems with industry-standard equipment, and for the honors degree, which is Level 8 SE710, there is a work placement module which enables students to collaborate with top Irish robotics and automation companies, giving them valuable experience in real-world industry settings. There are 2 exit awards. The first one is Higher Certificate in Robotics and Automation Systems after Year 2, and Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics and Automation Systems after Year 3. A key feature exclusive to the honors degree, which is SE710, is the Automation Scholarship. This is Ireland's first multi-company scholarships in the automation sector. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to welcoming you at SETU.